Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best wireless car chargers. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the wireless car chargers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best wireless car chargers on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Anker Powerwave Fast. This nifty AC mounted charger is made by Anker, a brand you may recognize for its reliable portable chargers and cables. It offers 360-degree rotation and is equipped with adjustable arms that stretch out to grip large phones, including the Samsung Note 10 and iPhone XS Max. We like that it includes a 2-port USB charger. This allows you to power it alongside another device like a dash cam. Although it's pricier than other options, fortunately, Anker backs its products with an extensive 18-month warranty. Coming in at number 5, Skosh Vent Mount QI. If you need to juice up your smartphone on the go, but you are on a limited budget, we recommend Skosh's Vent Mount QI. We were happy to see that this mount is easily removable, adjustable, and features a 360-degree rotating design. It's a good pick for folks who rent cars frequently, since you don't have to deal with any adhesives either. It's compatible with practically any size smartphone, even the iPhone XS Max, and it comes with a 58-inch USB cable and charging adapter. Our only minor complaint is that its indicator light is covered and difficult to see when your phone is resting on its mount. If you prefer a magnetic AC mount to this one that sports a claw grip design, consider this other offering from Skosh instead. Coming at number 4, Kanoe Airframe. This reliable, yet slightly pricey, wireless charger from Kanoe clips to your vehicle's air conditioning vent. It's a secure and stable choice for recharging your smartphone on the go, and we appreciate its slim and sleek design that'll match any car's interior. Its arm grips expand to hold even the largest of smartphones, and it rotates too, so that you can use your phone in landscape or portrait mode. Kanoe also sells a dash or windshield mounted charger, dubbed the Airbase Wireless. That model is Wirecutter's best overall pick. Our only concern is that some reviewers noted that it overheated and made their devices extremely hot to the touch. For this reason, we only recommend the Airframe Wireless, which can keep cool from your AC vents. Number 3, iTap 2 Wireless Magnetic. Most wireless car chargers feature clunky, claw-shaped designs that grip your device and may even scuff their leather cases. iOtti created a mount that resolves this issue entirely with the use of magnets. Like other wireless car chargers, this one affixes to your air conditioning vent, your CD player, or your car's dashboard with an adhesive. But what makes this one different is how you attach your phone to it. Instead of setting your phone inside of a claw or a cradle, you stick a small magnet to your phone's backside, or place the magnet in your phone's case. Then, you just stick it to the magnetic charging pad and voila! Your phone starts charging. The strong magnet keeps your phone stable and secure, even on bumpy roads. iOtti's charger offers a much sleeker design than the competition, albeit at a slightly higher price. Our only complaint is that anytime your phone is charging, a cooling fan kicks on, and it's loud. Not loud enough that your car speakers can't drown it out, but its hum is definitely noticeable. This trade-off ensures that your smartphone won't ever overheat though. Coming at number 2, iOtti Easy One Touch Wireless 2. What separates this wireless car charger from the rest is that its arm extends and lets you move your phone not only higher or lower, but also closer to you while you're driving. During our test, we measured that its arm extends from 5 to 8 inches long. We also found that the iAudi Easy Touch was powerful enough to charge an iPhone XR through a thick leather case, and it also juiced up a smartphone that had a slim plastic case on it. iAudi's charging times were slower than a similar Skosh stuck-up QI wireless car charger. However, our Skosh mount's flexible arm broke after a year of use. If you can cope with its slightly slower charging, the Easy One Touch 2 is a great choice if you want the extendable arm. We love that it's easy to mount and unmount your phone, and we found its suction cup to be secure. The suction cup can also be installed to your dash multiple times. If you don't want to stick anything to the dash, it's worth mentioning that iAudi also manufactures a variant that mounts to your CD player or affixes to your vehicle's air conditioning vent. Number 1. LinkTech Bolt Smart Car Mount and QI. The LinkTech Bolt is one of the most adjustable car charging mounts you could buy. Its claw grip widens significantly and automatically to accommodate large smartphones, like the Galaxy Note 10, and it has 2 feet at the bottom that you can lower to easily ensure that your smartphone's charging coils line up with the charger's coil to begin powering up. This QI charger affixes to your vehicle's AC vent, or you can stick it to your dashboard or windshield. We love that the mount rotates, meaning that you can use your phone in landscape or portrait mode. Plus, it's powerful enough to charge your phone even through a thick leather case. As a bonus, LinkTech includes a lengthy braided USB-C cable in the package. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best wireless car chargers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.